What if the best way to defend your network is to learn how to break into it? Welcome to Penetration Testing. Unveiled, Ethical Hacking and Pen Testing, a hands-on course designed to teach you how to think and act like a hacker. In today's digital landscape, security starts with understanding how attackers operate. This course will help you develop that hacker mindset and walk you through a step-by-step process to perform professional-grade penetration tests. You'll start by learning how to identify vulnerabilities in devices, servers, and networks. With each new module, you'll take on progressively complex targets, simulating real-world engagements and gaining experience that mirrors how global pen testing teams work. From launching attacks to writing preliminary reports, you'll gain practical job-ready skills used by top ethical hackers around the world. Your instructor, Kevin Cardwell, a former senior U.S. Navy cybersecurity expert and author, brings field-tested insight and deep technical knowledge to every lesson. Delivered by Starweaver, a global leader in cybersecurity education trusted by major banks and tech firms, this course is built to elevate your skills and your career. If you're an aspiring penetration tester, cybersecurity analyst, or an IT pro ready to level up, this course will show you how to find the flaws before the attackers do. So, are you ready to break in so you can better defend? Let's get started and become a true ethical hacker.